Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you avoid buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two heavyweights, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop. Spoiler alert, one of them might just clean your floors better than your ex could clean out your bank account. Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell Power Fresh is super affordable at $92, making it a great budget-friendly option. One Amazon reviewer mentioned that it was easy to use and efficient, which makes it a good choice for those looking to save money. Meanwhile, the Shark S5003D Genius is priced at $129, making it a bit of a splurge. However, many users appreciate the advanced features it offers, making the higher price more justifiable. One reviewer even mentioned that the Shark's capabilities made it worth the $100 price tag. Next up, cleaning power. The Bissell Power Fresh claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is a strong selling point. One user praised it for effectively cleaning textured ceramic tile floors without the need for scrubbing. However, another mentioned it struggled with years of built-up grime. On the other hand, the Shark S5003D Genius features Steam Blaster technology, which users rave about for breaking up tough stains. A reviewer highlighted its effectiveness in deep cleaning vinyl wood floors, making it sound like the Hulk of steam mops. Let's talk features. The Bissell Power Fresh has a smart set steam control, allowing users to choose between high, medium, or low steam. This flexibility was praised by one reviewer who found it very convenient. Meanwhile, the Shark S5003D Genius boasts touch-free technology, allowing you to clean without touching the dirty mop pad. Reviewers highlighted this feature as innovative and effective, making cleaning easier and more hygienic. It's like having a butler for your floors. Accessories. The Bissell Power Fresh comes with a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, and Spring Breeze fragrance discs, which users love for keeping their floors clean and smelling fresh. One reviewer appreciated these extra features, enhancing the overall cleaning experience. The Shark S5003D Genius, on the other hand, provides double-sided dirt grip pads, which means you get two mops in one. A reviewer noted that this feature was a fantastic addition, making it a great value for money. Lastly, convenience. The Bissell Power Fresh has a removable water tank that's easy to fill, which users find handy. One reviewer mentioned that it significantly reduced their mopping time. The Shark S5003D Genius features direct steam channeling, making it user-friendly and efficient. Reviewers noted its ease of use and quick drying time, making it a favorite for people looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is highly regarded for its affordability and effectiveness, especially for those with basic cleaning needs. However, some users noted it may not tackle heavy grime as effectively as desired. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, while pricier, is praised for its innovative features and powerful cleaning capability, making it a favorite for those seeking a more thorough clean. Both products have their strengths and cater to different cleaning preferences. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell Power Fresh is your budget-friendly friend who gets the job done while smelling like a spring day, while the Shark S5003D Genius is your high-tech, double-duty cleaning companion that makes you feel like a cleaning superhero. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're mopping up spills or cleaning up your love life, always make sure you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons that will save you from making the worst mistakes since buying that avocado toast. Catch you next time, and may your floors always be spotless.